Just farm. Just business will come to you. Just talk to people in your neighborhood, in your market. Such fluffy words. If you're anything like me, you can't stand that. You want step by step. What do you say? What do you do? So it's fun, but more importantly, it's effective, and you're getting listings sent to you every single week, every single month, and you're closing business. It's coming to you. But you don't know how to do that step by step. It's very high level, the strategies. So listen, that's gonna end now because I'm gonna have a masterclass. Click below, sign up, because I'm gonna show you step by step on what to say on the phone to be that local area expert. So you don't feel like you're selling anybody, and also you're not too friendly either, where people are just ghosting you and just sending business somewhere else. So I'm gonna show you how to get 6 listings over the summer while having a blast, spending family time the way you want to, and not feeling like you're working too hard or also being way too distracted with your family. Finding that right balance over the summer, so by the time August and September roll around, you're crushing it, as opposed to playing catch up and ending this year on a bad note. Click below and I'll see you there.